So agenda of this session is using numpy array, okay, and to reshaping numpy array. So first import numpy as np and simultaneously what do we want to import? OpenCV. So import cv2 as cv, cv2 as cv. Now create one dimensional array, okay, 1D 1D array np dot using a range array using range np dot arrange function. It is in numpy package, okay, and then 786432. Here I have multiplied because while reshaping we will break.
We can also put inside the arrange function 512 multiply by 512 and 3.
Range function takes a number and it will give you an array up to 0 to n minus 1. Here d type equal to tell u int 8. So 1D is ready. Now what we need to do?
I think np dot uint.
Yeah, you are right. So np dot this. Now 3D equal to 1D dot. Tell me the function name for reshape. And now how to reshape it? 5.2 and 3. Reshape means product of all these three must come this one. That's why I have multiplied here such that it can accept reshaping part. So 1D is converted into 3D. Now our target is CV dot. First make it slicing. Put color on the some part of 3D. So just I am taking 3D variable and then I am going to slice 0 to 256. Means this is row 0 to 256. Height total is 5.2. It will take up to 256. Similarly for column 0 to 256 and end point is not included in slicing, okay. So this is, now put the color, say 0 255 0. So this is the color. Now use OpenCV function, cv dot which function OpenCV, give the name and then pass the variable 3D and don't forget to write wait key.
Inside the 3D variable we put only color, so why we give 3D variable?
Because here you can see this was orange will give you one dimensional array. If you reshape, while reshaping we have given xyz, so this is 3D. Now for this is a variable, we want to put some color on some part of the variable, that's why I gave here slicing for the row and slicing for the column and then color. Now if you run you can see this is the image, okay. Now if you want to 0 to 256, suppose here what to do, if you write something else, like take this here and just below put some other color like 255 and here you give 256 to 512. Okay, then you can see, you cut this, then you can see this color is given. Okay, similarly if you want like that, 0 to 56 we have taken. Now what to do? Here you take 256 to 512
Yes, so this is
and
called HFV range.
0 to 56. Just we are putting color on this 3D. Okay, here you write 255, shift enter. Now you can see this is the white color is coming, right? Now if you give one more color, if you want to put, take it, give
0 to 55, 0.
already given.
0 to 55, 0.
Yeah, this is given here, see.
Okay.
Okay, let's 0 to 55. See the color, how it looks like that.
And
Okay.
there is white color.
See 250, because this overlapping of color 0 to 56 and 256 to 512. Okay, what we need to do here, we need to write here 256 to 512. Okay, shift enter. Now you can see your white color is there. Okay, one more thing. So what did you do? Just quick recap. Just we have used arrange function, array, by using range, and then we reshaped, then did slicing, and we put color using OpenCV. We have displayed it. This is how NumPy is useful with OpenCV.